Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in your Namecheap account. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in Namecheap. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the homepage of the official website of Namecheap. And here on the top navigation bar, you can see two different options, sign in and sign up. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on sign up and create a new account. Now to log in, click on login or sign in. Now here you have to type in your username and your password to log in. So type in your username. Now type in your password. If you have forgot your username or your password, you can click on this link and reset it. Now click on sign in and continue, and these are the simple steps that you can follow if you want to log in Namecheap. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.